Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Prime Video and choosing the title you want to watch. This places you directly into the player where subtitle options live. Once playback begins, move the mouse or tap the screen to reveal player controls, because the subtitle menu is hidden until you do. Make sure you are using a supported device or browser so the captions option appears. If you're on a smart TV or mobile, press the remote or tap once to surface the overlay and prepare to change subtitle settings. Now open the Subtitles menu by clicking the speech bubble or captions icon in the player. This lists available subtitle languages and caption options. You choose the language because Prime links subtitle streams to specific audio tracks, so pick the subtitle you want and switch the audio track if needed. This ensures captions sync with spoken language. Once selected, the player usually applies them immediately, but make sure to confirm the correct track and reopen the menu if the captions don't appear right away. Finally, customize caption appearance through your device or Prime Video accessibility settings to change size, color, or background so reading is easier. This affects why subtitles may be invisible or too small. If captions fail, reload the stream, check your connection, and update or restart the app. These common fixes resolve most sync or missing track issues. If problems persist, clear the app cache or try another device to isolate the fault. And remember to report the specific title and timecode when you contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.